Hello sir, this is the waste management project. This will act as an interface between people and the system. We know that we see heaps of waste all around us, but this system will act as an interface between people and the system so that there will be better communication and we will see clean surroundings. So this is the home page of the website. Here are the services like request for the dustbin, send a picture of your dirty locality, complain if the sweeper has not come, or tell any other problem to the counselor directly. And these are the visions of our application. This is the about section. In the about section, the vision is explained, elaborated, so people can go through this and understand the meaning of our application, the idea which we want to convey. So now the main part is the public section. So this is for the people. So anyone can just simply go through this section. Here there are two options. One is register your complaint, other is track your complaint. So to register your complaint, like here we do type a name like Raghav. Email is raghav@gmail.com. Mobile number 123456789 6. City Ghaziabad and ward number 2. And we don't, since we know the ward number, so we don't need the location button. Otherwise, if we do not know the ward number, then we will tap on this location button. So it will work on mobile phones. So what is our complaint? The drainage system is blocked. So we don't need to upload any image, otherwise we can choose a file from here and upload that. So here we go and submit. So our complaint will be registered. Now since we have just now registered, we can also see the status through the mobile number. So when our complaint will be resolved, then here the status will change from pending to resolved. So now there is an official section. This section is divided into two parts. One is for the head of the municipal corporation, other is for the councillors, which are the head of the various wards. So for example, we like for ward number 2, we are going to log in. So in this section, the councillor, see the city name is here, the ward number is here, the name of the head, the councillor is here. So this is just for sample purpose, this name. So now we can see the name of the people who have registered their complaint, their complaints, the date, their email ID, mobile number, and image. If anyone has uploaded, then the status, because right now no complaint is resolved. So when the complaint of people will be resolved, this mark a resolved button will work, and it will send a notification to the uh, public, to the person who registered the complaint, and he can check his status. And if he has any query, then he can say that no, my complaint is not resolved. So this work in this way. So now we will log out. Here there is one more thing in the public section. We see that the field marks compulsory, they are just name, mobile number, city, ward, and complaint. So if a person do not have email ID or does not want to upload the image, so there is no problem. So now we go to official section once again, and here head login. So these are just random names, and in the real system the name of the officials will be there. So this is the official for Ghaziabad. who is the head of Ghaziabad. So we can see the panel of Ghaziabad. Here we have the option of adding a new user. So adding new user will work in such a way that we can add uh, new ward members. Like we only have ward number 1 and 2. So our city usually have many wards. So we can add user from here. They will get their email ID and password, and in this way they can log in. And here we can see the email ID of the registered users, means the head of the counselors. Okay, so now we do log out. Here we can also see the complaints were also there. So we have seen that the complaints are monitored at each and every level, like from the counselors are also monitoring at the ward level, and then the officials are monitoring at the city level. Now we have a dashboard for admin section. This prototype is right now designed only for UP state and only 2 cities with 3 wards, because this is just a sample prototype. But for full scale deployment, we just need to add the data. But the application, the prototype is ready. So we can simply add the data, and this application will scale up. So this is the admin section. So this is the head in a single state. So here we can see uh, each and every the name of the city, the name of the head, their email ID, and if we want to edit any details, then we can edit. Here we can add a new user, means we can add details, the head and their email ID for other cities also. And in the edit details, we will also see the complaints and resolved complaints. So in this way, the complaints of people are monitored at each and every level. So after doing logout, going back to the home page. This is the website. This is the web application, and the mobile application is also under development, and it just need location access. So we can directly, we don't need to add the word also. So after location access, it will automatically select the ward in the city. So for mobile application is also under development, but the work will be same. The working will be same like in this prototype. So this project will act as an interface. This is because we know that uh, although government is trying bringing new schemes and trying many things, but still we see that the problem is not solved. This is because of the gap between people and the government, and this application is just trying to bridge that gap. Thank you.